Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to log out of your Gmail account on an Android device. Whether you're switching to a different account or just want to log out for privacy reasons, these steps will guide you through the process. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once it's open, head to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile picture. Tap on it to proceed. Next, a small menu will appear. From this menu, tap on Manage Accounts on this device. This will open a new page where you can manage all the Google accounts connected to your phone. Now, you'll see a list of all the accounts linked to your device. Find the Gmail account you want to log out of and tap on it to select it. Then, tap on Remove Account. This will prompt a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to remove the account. Make sure you've selected the correct account, as this will log you out and remove it from your device entirely. To confirm, tap on Remove Account again. Your Gmail account will now be logged out, and all its data will be removed from your device. That's it. You've successfully logged out of your Gmail account on your Android device. Keep in mind that this won't delete your account. It simply removes it from your phone. You can always log back in anytime. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.